The Bosveld indigenous village chicken is a cross between the Vendo, Wambo and Matabele chicken. It's a hardy African chicken that can survive in different climatic situations in Africa. It can scavenge off scraps off the table, doesn't get diseases easy. They lay 12 to 15 eggs and sit on the clutch, and the chicks are born. A hen that gets fed layers mash 120 grams a day will give you 700 eggs in 2.5 years. They've done trials with the chickens, and the most important thing is the hybrid vigor, the genetic explosion that takes place when they put a Bosveld rooster on the village hen that has got smaller and smaller due to different social problems in Africa, war and drought and all that. But the Bosveld chicken will deliver enough eggs and enough meat for a chicken, for a family to survive off chicken meat and eggs in Africa.